Hi guys, this is Rajan Sahu and today I'm describing about the ChatGPT, which is the latest in the market and I can say hot in the market. And if you can um, try to search on the Google or any YouTube channel, then chat about the ChatGPT, you can get um, like thousands of um, features and thousands of list about who is talking about the ChatGPT and its like feature and its future. So why I kept it like ChatGPT features, like there is no limit of the ChatGPT feature, and also there is it's a limitless. There is you can ask you can ask whatever you want, whatever you can think about. It will give you the um, answer, and also its future. So the ChatGPT has the great future as compared to other tools and technology because it's based like totally developed in the artificial intelligence and machine learning, and it's a different kind of model. Like currently it is using GPT 3. So today I'm talking about the basically on the engineering side who is developing different kind of application with the help of ChatGPT, and where ChatGPT can help to the uh, engineering in their daily basis task, or how ChatGPT can improve their work-life balance with the help of different tools and technology in a one place. So if I I have mentioned three tasks, different tasks, basically for the development, mobile application development of the web application, and development of the testing and test script and the testing strategy. So if I talk about the mobile application, ChatGPT can suggest you on better approaches and different solutions based on your requirement to develop the Android and iOS application. If I talk about the web application, it can help you to develop the iOS application or web application in different kind of language like Python or Java, and different strategy to check the testing and different features of different kind of application you can test with the chat gpt. So specifically it app development, it support like code generation and different languages based on your requirement, and like it also suggests you fix your bug based on your issue or based on your requirement, and also it's optimizing the performance based on your application. So it suggests it give you the code suggestion, a snippet of the code to any kind of scenario if you want to. If I talk about the web application development, then in any language like Python, Kotlin, Java, JavaScript, and any kind of framework, you can develop the web application. And another feature like API call, which appli- app, every application is integrated with in backend to fetch the data. So some light example of fetching the YouTube API, YouTube content from the with the help of API, uh, with the help of ChatGPT. If you ask to ChatGPT, give me a number of lines to retrieve the YouTube call, YouTube data, and it will give you the snippet of code to retrieve the data, where you have to add some specific information like API, YouTube API secret key. It will, and you can just use the same number of lines to retrieve the data. And likewise, it will give more information about that how to use and where to use. And if I ask to the ChatGPT to develop my whole login page or any subscription page or any page in Python, then it will give you the exactly number of lines. You just copy and paste in wherever you want, and how to use that number of lines it, that ChatGPT also describe you. If I talk about the testing with the ChatGPT, so from the beginning till the end of the specific feature, so like requirement gathering or test case script generation, bug report generation, test automation, script development, and different documentation for testing, and have end-to-end testing and different strategy how to develop a different plan. It will give you exact, like, all whatever you want to reduce your timelines, to reduce your work. So it will help you to develop the script in different tools and technology like APM, Selenium, and Express or X2I test. Also, it can generate the test script, test cases for you based on your requirement. Also, if there is any bug, you can raise the bug with the help of ChatGPT suggestion how to raise the bug and what requirement you have to put inside that. It will give you the how to resolve the issue, particular issue in your code, in your script for the specific scenario. And then further I will give you the live example how to develop the snippet of the code for any kind of scenario and mobile application, while either to develop or either for API call or development of the script. Yeah, so next I will talk about the different live example of the chat gpt, how we can do like create the home page, how we can create the script for the APM, how we can create the script for home page login screen, web application, or either um, web application. So here I already tested some of the features of the chat gpt, and here is the example, and now I'm trying to type here, like how to develop the Android application or login page of my Android application. So as you can put your requirement, it will give you the best suggestion based on your requirement. So create the script for login page of my Android application, and here you will get the response from the chat gpt. And basically it's developed from the openai.com. You can register yourself, and you can also explore the multiple direction or multiple area, whatever you want to. So here you can see the script to develop the login page screen of my Android application with the help of Kotlin. And also it suggests how to um, use that, and how to what other tools and technology you have to use that snippet of code. So, and another example of like developing the script for scrolling, like testing scrolling feature of mobile application. So how ChatGPT will give you the answer on scrolling script with the help of APM. And sometimes it takes some time to generate, so that try to find out the best solution for you for particular request. So you can explore in multiple direction, and in education sector, in marketing sector, or in trading sector, development sector, scientific sector. So wherever, whatever you can think about, you can ask and you can explore, and with the help of your existing and new tools and technology in the market. So you can ask any suggestion, any request, any kind of query. Some examples like if you want to explore your career in the marketing, then how we can do, whatever, what strategy you have to follow, you can ask here. And as in the script you can see, um, it develop the APM script for Android mobile application to perform the scroll action. So there is a touch action class you have to import, and that you have to provide the um, source and destination to and release the performance. What So likewise we perform the different actions on the mobile is while we swiping, scroll up or scroll down or swiping. The same way the script is given here, you can just copy and use in your snippet, in your framework. And another example, I will ask to the chat GPT to develop the login page for my web app. So also it suggests how to use, what extra things you have to add here, uh, and what methods or features it used in that snippet or code. It will give you the little bit explanation about that. So you can ask what tools and a specific tools script, like if you want to use XUI test or Express or Selenium, you can ask the specific feature or scenario script. And here I have asked the develop the login page of my web app, so it will give you the Python script of also it given the Flask web framework to use that. So that video is interesting to all our developer testers and API developer who is performing different kind of actions to integrate, to testing, to develop. So that's all about the ChatGPT. Some of the features here I have explained specifically on the in software engineer side. So what he can explore more, and what area it support for the particular domain. And so that's all guys, thank you so much. And if you like that video, please share your comment here to improve myself, or ask whatever you want for the next video. Thank you so much.